This is a Tgic holidays. Thank God it's Tuesday. This is the Addictive Sketcher Showdown. Woo! I'm back. Yes, back. Oh my days. Man went AWOL, but now I'm back, guys, and this is Chooseday. What are you going to choose to do today? Make your practice an everyday thing. Make your practice an everyday thing, please. Make your practice an everyday thing. Guys, this one is deep. I've got to say it. There are many reasons. I'm going to put my case, make it clear, and you can get the point, and it will really help you. Look, I've been in this business now from about, say, 1995, I would say, to 2021. So that's some years. You're talking about almost 20 something years, a professional artist, maybe not full-time. I went full-time 2008. So got some experience under my elbows, under my sleeves, wherever. The point is, you've got to make your practice an everyday thing. Now, why am I saying this, and what's the point? What's the real deal? Now, just take me in and listen. It might be a long one, so you might need to get a cuppa, pause it, get a cuppa or something, and just relax and take it in. It will help you. The point is this. It's so good. I don't mind if you're a sketcher, a painter, a sculptor, a designer, name it, anything creative. I want it to be an everyday thing that you do. Now, why am I emphasizing this? Woo! I'm going to talk from my experience now. Look, before the lockdown, I used to go to my studio every day on public transport, sketching every day. It was my bread and butter. I did this like just wow. Every day I fill up a sketchbook. I even have a whole sketchbook for sale for that sort of thing. People can order it. That's one side of it. But where I'm going at the moment is during the lockdown, it really took a big blow. I wasn't able to use public transport. And all of a sudden, I just, I started coasting. So sometimes I would sketch trees and some other things, but over time, it began to stop being an everyday thing. So over the pandemic, I wasn't sketching every day. Now, where did I realize that my whole everyday mantra had left me? Now, this is the point. If you do a sketch every day, what happens to your brain is it's stopping you from analyzing when you get to do major events or where you have to really do it properly. You don't have to think. If you're doing it every day, it's registering in your brain. You don't have to think. Anything you do that you really need to think so deeply, it has not been ingrained into your system, into your brain, where everything needs to be. The people that do things easily, regularly, seamlessly, without any inhibitions, any hindrances, are the guys that have invested the time day in, day out, and it becomes a natural thing to them. Now, if that's not the case, you're gonna struggle. So I thought I was on the same level as I was when sorry. I thought I was on the same level I was when I was sketching every day, until I had this commission. And this commission, wow, it just floored me. I went in there, tried to sketch the guy, first sitting, and the guy just told me at the end, well, I'm not sure it looks like me. That's the worst thing you can hear. It's the worst thing you can hear if you got a commission, man. And I knew it was down to me not sketching every day. I just knew it. So I had to put myself through the paces so I could get back on track. See, I've been reading a book and I share everything I know with you on atomic habits. Guys, if you can get that book, go get it. What that guy said was phenomenal. It hit me hard. What he said is, I'm going to paraphrase it, that if you practice a sketch every day, maybe for 100 days, you're going to be 100 times better. But if you don't practice for 100 days, you're going to be 100 times worse. I never saw it that way. Guys, I was coasting on past glories and it floored me. And the struggle now, I haven't yet synced back to normal, but I'm getting there. And I just want to send this out as an encouragement that, guys, don't work on your past glories. Don't work on your past achievements. Don't work on your past habits. You're only as good as what you're doing today on a regular basis for every other day moving forward. Today is here. Yesterday's gone. Yesterday is so far away. It's not time to play because it was yesterday, but now you've got today. I know I'm no singer. What am I trying to say? You've got today. Make it count. 24 hours in a day, and it doesn't need to be too much of a time. One sketch, 5 minutes. 2 sketches, 10 minutes. 3 sketches, 15 minutes every day on a consistent basis is what will make you better. And I'm saying sketch because I'm a sketcher. It could be painting. It could be anything. Whatever you know your craft is doing, don't let it pass. Give it a day's investment. Please, it's possible. That's the only way you're going to be on top of your game. Look, I've watched some guys do their craft. I'm going to give you an example. There's a guy called Peter Brown. This guy is one of the most revered, respected, on the top of his game, plein air painter that you can get on planet Earth. One of the things I've known about Peter since I've known him, I only knew him facially in 2010 when I was doing a Bath marathon. But, to be honest, I'd known his work way back in 2001. I used to go look at these exhibitions in Messims and all that, just watching this guy. The thing about him is that he's doing this thing every day. So when he gets out with his easel and stuff, he's not thinking. The guy has programmed his brain on auto. He's just bringing out the colors, brushing it, putting in those figures, lighting it, finishing it, boom, 1 sitting, 2 sitting, some he'll knock off. He's just doing that because it's been ingrained in his brain. There are no shortcuts, guys. It's a daily affair. It's a daily love. It's a daily passion. Anything you do, not daily, you skip it. And it's not only if you do it every day, how much of it are you doing every day? I'm not saying rush a lot of it, but I'm saying take your time. Start small, increase it as you go along, and you will find out that you are getting better by the day. This is Sunday Bang Gialandes. Thank God it's Tuesday. And what are you going to do or choose to do today? Make your practice an everyday thing. Chooseday!